Good morning, greetings and salutations, YouTube. It's Hadrian here. Welcome to another episode of the vlog. Hi, John. What are you making, Mom? Meringue. So early. The kids are down here. They're all eating. Zach, for some reason, wants the mayonnaise with his chicken, and they're going crazy. They're all wearing matching pajamas. We're watching the Tournament of Roses parade. Cade wants the mayo with his waffle.
Mayo?
No! No!
He wants some in his milk.
That's me and kids.
Alright guys, so Mom's making meringue cakes for our neighbors for New Year's. So this is the first one. She's making a couple more. I wrapped this to be festive. So that was my contribution. Right, Mom? And now she's adding more garlands to the cake. And this is fresh from our garden. Is that mint?
Yeah.
The mint.
Oh my gosh, it smells good.
Wow. Look at you, Martha Stewart. Hey guys, so Mom finished the last one. This one's for us, and then that one is for our other neighbor, but they're not home right now, so we're gonna take it over later. But guys, also it's been really windy, and you can see we had those two plant stands. That one, it actually like fell over, but I think like it broke because it's super rusted, like where the two parts connect. And it's so sad. They were from our old house. We've had them forever. I actually spray painted them, and now it's broken. So I don't think we can even repair it because it's so rusted where the joints are. So it's unfortunate, and it's just been really windy. It's finally dying down a little bit right now, but yeah. So just like waiting here in the kitchen. Everyone's getting ready. We're gonna head out to the movies in a little bit. We're gonna go watch Aquaman. So we're super duper excited, and the kids are excited. I'm excited because I really want to see that movie, and I cannot wait to eat the cake. It looks so good. Alright guys, we just got back from the movies and had dinner, and the movie was so good. If you guys haven't seen Aquaman yet, I totally recommend it. It was very good. But we had dinner. We had just leftovers from yesterday. Nothing too crazy, but I'm gonna start cleaning the kitchen right now. I know I didn't really vlog at all today, which is like, but I'm gonna do a little show and tell in a little bit and show you guys what I ended up getting the other day from the Veterans Thrift, and some other stuff that I don't think I showed you guys yet, which I'm like, why didn't I show any? Like, I think I picked them up at like in regular vlogs, and I didn't show you guys actually what I got, so I'll do that in a little bit. Alright guys, so I have actually, oh my gosh, it's like the middle of the night, and I was like, wait a minute, I need to film all my haul videos. So literally just finished filming all my haul videos for the upcoming week so far, and I wanted to show you guys what I ended up getting from past vlogs that I didn't actually show you guys what I ended up getting. It's just like while I was out thrifting. So let me start off with, okay, so remember when I was telling you guys about this wallet, and did I even put it in the vlog? I don't even remember if I just put it in like my Instagram stories. And it turns out that this wallet is authentic. So one of you guys from the Thrift Squad actually works at a Louis Vuitton store, and was like, oh my gosh, that wallet's real. And I was like, you know what, like I thought, like it feels real, like the hardware and everything looks fantastic. The only thing is like the pattern is a little crooked. And then they were like, oh, that's totally fine, because that sometimes happens with the smaller prints. And I was like, oh my gosh. So, and then, you know, even if it did end up being fake, like it was such a great price, and I was like, you know what, it's totally okay, because I got this for $25, but it's still such a gorgeous wallet. So here's like the Louis Vuitton stamp right there, and then the date code thing is like right there, and it's just such a cute little wallet. Like, it's so adorable. I feel like I kind of want to use it. And the only thing is, like, I'm so sad that they staple the price in there. It looks like they tried to staple it on this side and it didn't go through all the way because it's too thick. But yeah, you know, that's what they do at this thrift store. So but it's such a cute wallet. I know, I kind of might use it. The only thing is, like, the hardware right here is a little hard to work with, but other than that, like, so cute. And I love the rainbow like mini monogram. It's so cute. So very excited to have found this wallet, and it's in such fantastic condition too. So I was just like gobsmacked, and like I should have just bought it when I first saw it, but I literally went back and it was still there. So I was very excited. I didn't even film it because I just like went and I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna go really quick, and if it's not there, it's not there, but if it is, then I'm gonna buy it. And it was still there. I almost cried because I thought it wasn't there. And I was like, no, but I found it. So very excited to have that. And then what else? Okay, the other thing that I got was from like, was it like the day before? It was the day before New Year's Eve, and I went to the Goodwill, and I did get this really cute little Dooney and Burke bowler satchel. It's so stinking adorable. It also does come with a long strap as well, and it's in such fabulous condition. I was just like, oh my gosh, it's so stinking cute. I think it was $20 or $30, I don't remember, but it's so cute, and it's so tiny, but it does hold a lot. And like since it's like the bowler shape, it does open up really nicely because the zippers do go down like all the way, and it opens up like that. So it's so cute, you guys. I love this bag so much. And yeah, so beautiful little patent leather Dooney and Burke bowler satchel. There's that. Okay, and then this is the last thing. I totally forgot to show this in another video when I found this, but I did find it at the Goodwill Computer Works store in Santa Ana it's part of the Goodwill Marketplace, which is 3 different Goodwill stores, kind of like all put together in one area, but they're all like a separate entity in and of itself, but like the whole area is called the Goodwill Marketplace. So there they have the Goodwill outlet, the regular Goodwill, at the Computer Works store, which has like computers, like anything with technology, TVs, video games, all that stuff, and also cameras. So what's cool is that they did have a Nikon camera there, but it was an older Nikon camera. I think it was like the D70, and I wasn't looking for like a camera body, even though the D70 is like a pretty good camera as well, but I actually have a I think like we have a D70. That was like one of our cameras that we had a while back. And then now I have, I think it's like the D90. I don't know, something like that. Or D700. I don't remember what Nikon I have right now. But what's awesome is that I found this Nikon lens, and they were selling them, the body and the lens separate. So I was like, oh my gosh. And I don't have this lens. And I was looking for a new lens that when the camera autofocuses, it doesn't make a really loud noise, because the lens I have right now for my camera, for that one, it's so loud. And I remember I used it once because I left my regular camera that I always use to vlog and everything inside my mom's car, and my dad and my mom like left to go somewhere, and then I went out thrifting. I was like, oh wait, I don't have a camera. And my other, like my older vlogging camera, the batteries were dead, and the only one that had battery was the large Nikon, and the autofocus sound was just so awful. So many people were like, this sounds awful, and I was like, I know, it's so bad. So and I tried to, to me it sounds a lot less. I haven't actually like filmed it and then listened to it on the computer to see what it sounds like, but I don't know. And also I was just like looking for like another lens, and this was only $7.99, and this one is a lot smaller than the other one that I have, because the other one I have, it's also a 18 millimeter, but this one's 18 to 70. I think the other one is like 18 to like 100 something or whatever. Definitely more than this one. Like the zoom range is larger, and it's like such a big lens, and it's so heavy. So this one is just like a nice smaller lens, and this lens retails still online for like, how much was it? I think like $400 something, which is crazy. So getting it at $7.99 was awesome, and I was like, I thought like maybe it was broken to be honest, because it was just like this, like the lens, like it didn't have the back cap or anything, and I thought like maybe it would be like severely scratched. I got it home, cleaned it, and it's good to go. So I was very, very, very excited. I just need to get like another like a back cap for this so that I can like close it up. But I've just been keeping it in like a little bag. But yeah, I'm really, really excited to have found this. And who says that you can't find great camera equipment at the Goodwill, right? So this is actually my first ever camera equipment that I got at the Goodwill, other than I did get 2 tripods at the Goodwill once, but this is like my first camera like equipment for a camera itself. So this is a very, very exciting. I kind of wish I got the camera body. It was only like, I think it was $9.99, which is a great price, but I looked it up too. I think that if you can get the D70 body for the camera for I think like $40 or $50 online. But I mean, I should have just gotten it, huh? I should have just gotten it. And then I could have like let like the kids use it or something. Anyway, if it's still there next time, I think I'll pick it up. I don't know why I didn't buy it. I should have just gotten it, right? But and it's like the point of the story is Hadrian just talks too much, so that's what the point of the story is. But I did end up getting this, so I'm very excited. So that is gonna end the video for today. Thank you guys again so much for hanging out with me today. I know we didn't really do too much, unfortunately, because today, okay, so today is New Year's Day. It's the first day of the new year. And you know what? We like this whole holiday season, we've just been go. And so like we kind of decided to just like as a family just like take it a little slow today. We just had like breakfast together, which you guys saw, and then after that we just like kind of like hung out here until we wanted to go watch Aquaman, which was, again, that was an amazing movie. If you guys haven't seen it, I recommend it. We all had fun. My sister, my mom, myself, the kids all had fun, except Eliza did fall asleep towards the end of the movie, but that's because like the movie was during his nap time. But the parts that he did see, he really liked. He was like, I didn't finish Aquaman. We were like, I know, baby, you fell asleep. So, but it was really good. Then we came home, we had dinner, and I cleaned up, and then I've just been filming all night long. So right now I'm gonna go edit my videos for tomorrow. So don't forget to check out this morning's thrift haul. It's great. I think it's a great way to, like, it's a great first haul of the year, so I'm very excited about that. And yeah, I think it's like a good kickoff point, you know? So I hope you guys had a great day. I hope you guys had a fantastic first day of the new year, and whenever you guys are watching this, I hope you've just been having a fantastic time up until now, and I hope that that just extends and goes on forever too. So I don't even know what I'm talking about. I think I'm a little tired, to be honest, but I'll see you guys all later. Adios. Bye. You guys will never believe what I just found. I just found a Chloe bag right here, and it is in pretty good condition. There's just 2 little studs missing on the back, but it's just on the handle, and it doesn't really affect the functionality of the bag. They're just missing. So you can probably just like kind of replace them with something else that looks similar. $40. Made in Italy thing right there. There's a little serial number right